Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amit and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to add firebase in Flutter with the help of Cli. So in old method we do like this: we create an Flutter project in our firebase, then we keep our ID. If we talk on the identifier and package name in here in project, and then download the goal.json file and then keep that file in our project in Android, respectively in Android and iOS. So same with the native. So today we are going to learn how to create it with the help of Cli. So what is the important to do it with Cli is that if you do that with the Cli, you don't need to manually keep the goal.json file in to your Android and as well as it with the help of Cli it will automatically keep that file to your respective folders. So let's get started. First open your terminal. So here I am opening my terminal. So first of all you have to keep that the firebase which you want to add your project in firebase, it should be login in your VS Code or in your Android Studio. So it means it will login to your Chrome and your default browser. So for that you have to just check it firebase login. You can, but before that, if you are using creating for the first time, you have to do like this. You have to npm install the firebase tool. So without it you can't use the firebase command. So what it will do, I will show you. Take some time. So if you didn't watch my previous video on getx, so you can go and watch. I already make a playlist for that. There are 7 to 8 videos on getx and I cover all the points and all the important topics related to getx. So now you can use the firebase. So first you have to check that with the help of firebase login. So here it's showing this email which I want to use in my project. So this is the same image. If you want to change, you can just do like this: firebase logout. So it will log out from your project. So if I do it like this, so now it's log out from this email. So again, if I want to log in with different email or the same email, you can do like this. I am making like this: firebase login. So yes, so it's opening it. Okay, so if you want with the another different account, so you can change it from here, or you can just, if it's another browser and this one is your default which is open right now, when you click on here, so you just copy this and just paste it to another. It's all choice, or it's all your choice. Okay, so here I am just click on it and continue and allow, and let's get back, and it's login as a email which I want to use as a firebase account. So now you have to first I will show you firebase login, that my account is already login as a Inferno Fantasy. Okay, so now just keep this .pad global activate FlutterFire Cli. Okay, so now it's activated. It will show you give you a path to export. Just copy and paste it here. So now firebase setup. Okay, now you have to follow one more. This is FlutterFire configure. What this command do, I think, yes, wrong mistake. So you have to not do this, mean wrong mistake. So for that I already put all this code in my website, which is this one, Codemicros. I will post a link in description. Go there and here the blog, and I already explained everything about it. You just have to copy or paste, and it's all choice. Okay, now we will go back. So now enter a project ID for your new Firebase. So I have to enter a project ID because there is no project in my Firebase account. If you have a project in here, then you can choose it. It will show here because now it's showing found 0 Firebase project. If you have any project or 3, 4, any even one project, it will show there. So you can choose that project here also. So it's your choice. Now I have to wait. Yeah, give package name. So just copy the package name from Android.ios. It's your choice, and just push it there because enter project ID for your new Firebase project. So just enter, and think something is wrong. Yeah, oh sorry, I forgot. You have to put a name of your project you want to create here. Okay, so right now I will make it like this, Firebase demo, or demo example for that. So this one is will set up the new project name here. Enter, and now you can see enter a project ID to creating a new Firebase project. Fail to create up the. Okay, if you are experiencing like this, you just need to one thing, just go here and you can do like this. Suppose I am making this demo example. You can do like this if are experience same problem. Just a few seconds and it's done. As a developer, you have alternate method to do this. So if you are encountering error like this, you should have another option to make it work. So now it's ready, but there is no project added from Android and iOS, so there is nothing. Okay, it's empty. Here I will show you project setting, and here you can see there is nothing. Okay, so now you go back and FlutterFire configure. Yes, now while doing this, it will show you the project which I just create. Here you can see, for example, this one. So just if you want to up down, just may do it with the arrow button, and if you want to select, then space, it will select. Okay, if you have multiple project here, so just enter it, and for which platform you want this. So if you want to deselect it, unselect it, you just click on the space button. So here you just, I only want for Android and iOS, just hit enter, and which Android application ID for package name. So you have to give here package name. Just copy and paste it here. So now it's creating it. Now here you can see there is no Google JSON file. Now it will put just few seconds. Yes, there is the new Firebase iOS, and here you can see at the left hand side it's create a file here in Google JSON file, so related to Firebase. And here Firebase option, and if we check in iOS, you can see wait, think so you can see the Firebase So now the setup is completed. For error, you can go to lib and you can check it out. It's a Firebase option, so you have to import a Firebase core here. So for that, add core. And now it will be done. And in my next video I will teach you how to send push notification with the help of the new method which Firebase including sometime before, and it deprecated the old method of service private service key which Firebase provided for push notification. So it deprecated from the old devices, and if you are using old projects, so you already know that it's deprecated. It was not working right now, so you have to switch to new Firebase for push notification, new method. So in next video I will do that. So like the video, subscribe the channel for that video. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care, bye bye, have a nice day.